Civil paragraph. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Chanu. Ready? Start. Since this declaration would also adversely affect the genuine allotments, grants and transfers made by various officers and authorities other than the Chief Ministers of Housing and Physical Planning Department and those of its development agencies, the provincial legislature shall have to enact a validating law for the validation of all those allotments, grants, leases and transfers so far made by them, full stop. The law to be so enacted shall, with a view to satisfy the constitutional mandate of Article 173, also have to provide for the future disposal of state-owned lands and plots in urban areas in the province, as has been done by the government of Sindh, which has got enacted Sindh Disposal of Plots Ordinance, 1980, but without repeating the flaws of that legislation, Sharia injunctions of Islam as contained in the Holy Quran and Sunnah by virtue of Section 3 of the Enforcement of Sharia Act, 1991 is enacting now the supreme law of the country and also a federal law, full stop. Therefore, while enacting the new law, the provincial legislature shall have to keep in view the provisions of the said act to save that law from being rendered ultra vires, full stop, new para. Since the chief ministers, have been misusing their discretion, which in fact did not exist at all, the validation to be made in that respect shall have to be made carefully, as in certain cases even the plots reserved for the community, public and environmental purposes were also allotted by them to certain persons of their choice for residential or commercial purposes, and if those plots are still lying vacant, they will have to be resumed in public interest for the purposes for which they were originally carved out, full stop. However, if the government decides not to resume any such plots which were allotted by the respondents from their so-called discretionary quota, then it would be in the fitness of things if the original allottees thereof are compelled to pay the market value prevalent at the relevant time, full stop. This will have the effect of not only them of the wrongful gain that they made by obtaining costly plots worth lakhs of rupees at grow away reserved price due to the meherbani of the respondents, comma, but shall also bring lot of money to the depleted provincial exchequer, full stop.